Hello and welcome to the Daily Money Quote. My name is Florian Fritz. I'm money teacher and founder and creator of the Money Hero Tribe. And today it's time for Money Quote number 105. And it's by famous author and writer Albert Camus. And he said, it's a kind of spiritual snobbery that makes people think they can be happy without money. Albert Camus, our Money Quote number 105. It's a kind of spiritual snobbery that makes people think they can be happy without money. I love the term spiritual snobbery. I love the spiritual snobbery. I love that. Really cool. So, being happy without money. Or what's the spiritual snobbery about it? I think that's it's about people saying money is not important, but then going 40 hours and more every week to work for it. Or people saying things like love is more important than money. What comparison is that? Who says you can't have both? Where's the connection between love and money? Why not go for both? I would prefer to have both. How about you? So I guess that's meant with spiritual snobbery. And I've never seen anybody being unhappy when they got money. So why say money is not important if everybody's happy when they have more and get more? That's spiritual snobbery, I guess. I'm above money. Money is beneath me. Yeah, I'm too spiritual for money. Of course, you can. Money doesn't make you happy. We've discussed that. Money alone doesn't make you happy. Money alone doesn't make you unhappy. It's nothing to do. It's you personal. Are you happy or not? But it's definitely easier if you have money, because it causes so many problems if you don't have enough money. Causes so many problems, causes stress. So it's easier to be happy if you have it. So make sure you always get enough of it. Okay, go for it. Get the money you want and the money you need. Don't be a spiritual snob and say you don't need it. Just be honest and go for what you want and what you need. Okay, great. That was our money quote number 105. It's a kind of spiritual snobbery that makes people think they can be happy without money, by Albert Camus. And I'm looking forward to seeing you tomorrow with the next money quote, or in the Money Hero Tribe. If you haven't joined that yet, please do so right away. See you soon. Bye-bye.